Hi friends, welcome to BSc. Napoleon Hill. I think many of you heard this name. Napoleon Hill was also a journalist and a writer. One day, he had the chance to interview Andrew Carnegie, who was the famous richest person on the face. Andrew Carnegie made an offer to Napoleon Hill while the interview was going on. What it means is that everyone has equal opportunities to achieve success in life. The same principle applies to everyone. He said that all those who are successful in life should know the formula of success and write a book so that it can help others. Andrew said that all the costs for traveling will be borne. Napoleon Hill thought well and accepted the offer. As part of that, he interviewed many rich and successful people for many years and produced an excellent book, that is Think and Grow Rich. The video you will see today is based on the book Think and Grow Rich. The book was released in 1937. This book is very popular in the fields of self-improvement and personality development. I suggest that everyone should read this book at least once in your life. There are many people in the world who achieved success after reading this book. In this book, it's been clearly told that what you need to do in order to succeed in life with your desires and thoughts. There are many important things in this book that we will talk about today. Do you want to know what in this book that changed so many lives? Then watch this video to the end without missing a single point. There are some important principles in this book. Before the first principle, Napoleon Hill gave an example of the power of thoughts that transforming our life. That is 3 feet from the gold. This is the story of an insurance salesman named Darby. He shared an experience that happened to him. He bought a new drilling machine for mining gold for his uncle. Some of the gold leaked after it started drilling the mine with the machine. After that, no matter how much they drilled, there was no result. They thought gold was no more and they stopped trying. The drill machine was sold to a junkman. The junkman cleverly took the help of a mining engineer. After thoroughly checking, the engineer's calculations showed that the vein would be found just 3 feet from where Darby had stopped drilling. That is exactly where it was found. The junkman became a billionaire with that gold. The mistake Darby did was, he did not take the help of experts before giving up. What Napoleon Hill is telling us through this story is that the main reason for failure is to give up something in between, that too for small problems or issues. In order to achieve anything, we have to change our way of thinking. The impact of our thoughts on our actions and habits finally decides our result. Burning desire. Napoleon Hill said of burning desire, you can also understand that as strong desire. Many of us dream of becoming rich and living without being dependent on anyone. But that is not possible. If we want to be rich and realize or achieve the dreams we have, we must have burning desire. Napoleon Hill also gave us an example. Thomas Alva Edison. Despite he failed many times in achieving electricity, but he never stepped back because all his ideas and practices went ahead with his burning desire and he realized his dream. Finally, he achieved his dream. And what about us? After many years of hard work, he realized what he wanted to invent in the form of a light bulb. If we want to be successful, we must have goals and dreams. Hey, just 1 second. What do you think of your goals and dreams? Do you have any goals and dreams? Let me know in the comment section below. Setting goals and planning. If we think we should start our success story, we need to have a grip on what we want to achieve. Let's take an example. You decide how much money you make to be rich. It is not enough if you just have a wish or want to become a rich person. In addition, you need to make sure that you are ready for what you want to achieve. Because there is no use of claiming about your goals. First, you must be clear what to achieve and when to achieve. If you have a goal, you must have a clear vision what to achieve, how to achieve, and when to achieve. Along with this clarity, you must have a plan. With this planning, you should achieve what you plan to do. You should have a detailed analysis of your dream or goal. If an analysis is ready, then you should move towards your goal without further delay. You write down all your plans on a piece of paper. Read it once in the morning and once before going to bed. If you do like that, those words will be rooted in your brain. If you follow this regularly, you can achieve exactly what you thought. Third, profound faith. Have faith in your goals. If we want to achieve something, we must have a profound faith in the work we do. No one has acquired assets, property without trust or belief. Without belief, who can find new countries or inventions? Did anyone? No one invented any object without belief. The power of subconscious. What if we want to develop confidence and trust in ourselves? That doesn't make it all the same. It doesn't happen at a time. And that is not impossible. Napoleon Hill says it can be slowly developed through a technique called auto-suggestion. Auto-suggestion means thinking about what we want. We ourselves occasionally talk about our ideas and influence our brain. We can use auto-suggestion technique like tuning our brain with a few words as we want. Examples: I can make it, I can handle the situation, I can do it, nothing is impossible, I'm strong enough to deal. Such words give us confidence and courage when we are in trouble. The more we use auto-suggestion, the more chances we have to succeed. If we send our thoughts and our desires to our subconscious mind, they will certainly come true one day. Knowledge is power. Knowledge is very important for us to achieve anything in life. Without accurate knowledge, we would not be able to complete any task successfully. Because if we have the knowledge, our goals will be much easier to become our own. Knowledge is of two types. 1. General knowledge. 2. Specialized knowledge. Yes, we all have knowledge, but it is not enough to achieve our dreams. All it needs is specialized knowledge. Did you understand? Okay, let me explain it. What does Napoleon Hill mean? Knowledge is not something we learn in school or in college. This is because even those who do not have such a study background have knowledge. Here Napoleon Hill gave us an excellent example. Henry Ford, head of the Ford company, did not even go to high school, yet he established a large industry in the car sector. He also earned several thousand crores. His lack of education did not hinder his earnings. Henry Ford was once badly mentioned in a popular newspaper. He was described as a fool. Henry sued them in court. As part of the court proceedings, a opposition lawyer was present and started asking some pictorial questions like, who is Benedict Arnold? In the 1776 war, how many England soldiers had sent to America? Henry Ford, frustrated with those questions, and replied, why do I need to remember all this? Once you come to my office, I have a mastermind team. Whatever question you ask, the team will answer your questions. With this, the lawyer remained silent, not knowing what to say. All those presented there agreed with Henry Ford, knowing that he was not a fool. We need to be successful. We don't have to spoil our brains with unnecessary thoughts. Not all the things need to be known, but know the things and get the knowledge which is important for achieving your goals, and leave the rest. If we learn this, we will surely reach the goal someday. What do we need to observe here is, wherever we find the knowledge, we have to go there and learn. So, that's all for today, friends. I will upload some more videos on this book. Friends, please try to read this book. If you want to buy this book, the link to this book is in the description. Once go and see it. If you like this video, please press on the like button. And also subscribe if you don't subscribe to our channel. If you share this video, this little effort of mine will be reachable to many. Thank you and see you soon.